Working in QlikView or Qlik Sense and need to handle QVD data files in your data model? These optimized columnar files power fast analytics across billions of rows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to load, inspect, and use these QlikView data files. We're going to solve this QVD issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. A QVD, QlikView Data, file is a proprietary data container used by Qlik Sense and QlikView business intelligence applications. It stores a single table of data exported from a Qlik script. Users create QVDs to build a layered data architecture, enabling faster data loads and reusable data models. The QVD format is a highly compressed binary file optimized for read speed. It consists of an XML header describing the fields and a subsequent block of symbol and data tables stored in a byte-stuffed format. This design allows Qlik applications to load data up to 100 times faster than from other sources. The industry standard application for QVD is considered to be Qlik Sense from Qlik. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows cannot display the structured data inside these files, so database software is needed to read them. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the QVD file and select Open With. If Qlik Sense is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If the QVD file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The QVD file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, loading in Qlik. Open QlikView or Qlik Sense and use the data load editor with a load statement followed by from filename.qv. The load process is dramatically faster than reading from source databases due to QVD's optimized binary format. Use QVD files as cached intermediate data layers between source systems and your analytical applications. Next, inspecting contents. Use Qlik's QVD viewer scripts or third-party tools like EasyQlik QViewer to inspect QVD contents without loading into a full Qlik application. These utilities display field names, data samples, row counts, and metadata, helping verify QVD generation results and troubleshoot data pipeline issues during ETL development. Finally, converting to other formats. Within Qlik Sense or QlikView load the QVD file into a data model, then use store statement to export as CSV or other formats. Store table name into output.csv exports tabular data for use in other tools. This bridge between Qlik and external systems requires Qlik license access since QVD is a proprietary format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.